The Supreme Court will release more rulings, and many are waiting for the justices' decision on abortion rights. A leaked draft opinion showed a majority of the justices were considering overturning Roe v. Wade. CBS's Natalie Brand shows us how advocates on both sides of the issue are preparing for a surge in demand for their services.
Or if they need anything in the interim, they can always call.
From clothing to care packages, from diapers to formula, this pregnancy center in Northern Virginia is a source of basic supplies, as well as counseling and connections to medical appointments.
We probably have 2,500 visits every year for material assistance.
The organization opposes abortion. Dolores Wisecarver serves on the board.
Out of the women that come in that are abortion-minded, about 57% have a change of heart and continue the pregnancy.
And what do you think has changed their mind?
If they know that they have help and they know that they have support.
In Bloomington, Indiana, this pregnancy resource center also offers counseling and supplies for pregnant women and moms, but it has an abortion fund to help those who've decided to end their pregnancies.
One thing that hasn't been talked about a lot is how difficult it has already been in some states for people to access abortion care.
Jess Marchbank, the state programs director, says since the leaked court draft opinion, calls have more than doubled.
I have consistently been receiving over 80 every week since the beginning of May.
Sabina Oster has lived both sides of this issue.
No person can understand what an individual person goes through when they make their own decisions, especially one as hard as that.
She had an abortion in her 20s. Nearly a decade later, she made a different decision and is a new mom.
I couldn't do it again. I'm still pro-choice to this day, just due to the fact that I'm able to make a conscious decision on my own. I have support. Not everybody is as fortunate as me to have that support system.
She got support from family and financial assistance from a pregnancy center.
There's a tendency to vilify the other side, and that's not it. I mean, we're here about helping each other and getting through this.
While the advocates across the two sides hope for different outcomes from the Supreme Court,
it's impossible to harden your heart to some of the situations that you hear. And it's also impossible to help every single person, which can be heartbreaking.
They remain focused on helping as many women as their resources will allow. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Northern Virginia.